Hey guys, it's me, Maizelynn, and welcome back to Maizelynn's Makeup Mondays. So today, we are going to be doing our eyebrows, even though we're all under quarantine. Lovely. Thanks. Okay, so I still want my eyebrows to look great, and I'm still going to be making videos and posting videos every single Monday. Ow, that hurt. So I already done my full face of makeup. Thanks Jeffree Star for the great alien palette that I used. I love it, honestly. I'm ready. Well, actually, I'm doing the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrows. I'm going to be teaching you and using this and testing it out because why not? I'm going to be using clear brow gel, and this is what it comes in. It's very pretty. The only thing is you're going to get like fingerprints all over, and then it's not going to be very pretty. That's just sad. Let's try it. I'm going to smell it because why not? Oh, it stinks. This smells like a chemical. Let's put this on my eyebrows. Hopefully my eyebrows don't fall off. She's the #1 person or eyebrow lady in America, so I think we'll be fine. So I'm just going to brush it like that. So all my foundation is coming off. It's because it cleans it. Can you imagine like not having an eyebrow though? Like not having eyebrows? I have like this one eyebrow that like won't brush in and it's annoying me. Beautiful. Okay. So by the way, my mom's at book club at my grandma's house. They're all being very loud and I'm annoyed. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I gotta find the side. That's the blending side. Aha! You need the Brow Wiz. And she gives you this. So if I look down, this is why. So Anastasia, you know what's the girl's name? Like Lori. She looks like Lori from Shark Tank. Anyway, this is how she says to get your perfect brow, discover your perfect brow shape. So she says, for the beginning of the brow, you put it like right here. So where your brow starts, you, like so right here, and you draw. Okay, so I just realized how dark this was. It's fine. I don't have to go anywhere today. I mean, it's like 6 o'clock at night. We're fine. Now, the arch. You put it right here and you go tilt. So, you go like right here. And then you drop in your eyebrow. And then the end. This is where my eyebrow is supposed to end. And it ends perfectly right there. So. Okay, now time to blend. I didn't do this eyebrow. So basically all I'm doing is I'm pulling in the color, and as you can see, it's gone. Oh! And now I'm gonna continue doing that and getting the perfect. That is a great arch though. Not mad about it. Okay. Okay, so you don't wanna like brush like out basically. You wanna brush in so it gets in the brow. Bam. So next is the Anastasia Brow Definer. Yeah, okay. Boom. This is what it looks like. Oh. So basically, all you're gonna do is you can either hold it like this or like this. This way, it'll go on like bigger basically. The pointier end goes on skinnier. Like when you do it, so the fat side of the brush, oh I touched the mic, oops. So the fat side of the brush obviously gives you like a bigger line basically, like more of a fill-in. And then the skinnier end, this one basically gives you like less of a fill-in. So I'm gonna use the skinnier end because I already have gray eyebrows. Okay, so you want to outline your brow. I'm gonna do this skinnier, and in this, it's more like a black than a brown. What color does she say it is? Ebony. So I'm scared. And then the top of the brow. I have a teacher who this kid asked, we were in the middle of class, are your eyebrows filled in? And the teacher goes, well, why? Does it look like it? And I was like, oh my gosh. You just don't ask somebody that, okay, if their eyebrows are filled in. That's the wrong end. Okay, you want to go up and down because that evenly distributes the color in your eyebrows, your eyebrow hair. So I'm going to start up by going up, then going down, and then up and down, and up and down, and up and down, up and down, until it like blends in. So I'm evenly distributing the color in my eyebrow. Can you be quiet, please? They're talking, and you can kind of hear them now because I'm not talking as much. I think my phone's going off. I think my dad's calling me. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, everybody. My eyebrow is done. My eyebrow looks great compared to that one. Okay, so I went ahead and did both brows, and I added a little bit more color to this side. As you can see, looks pretty good. So, I think it's pretty good because the before and the after was, the before was pretty interesting, and the after was pretty good. But my only thing that I would change about this product is the smell of this. It smells like chemicals. But overall, it was really good and really helpful. So, thank you, Anastasia. If you guys like this video, please click like, subscribe, and comment if you use this product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And follow me on Instagram. It's just my name. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye.